Hey, what's up, guys? Today I'm going to pick an American lock. It's the 1100 series. I do have a key. Oops. It is a working lock. Decent bidding there. Alright. I'm going to pick this thing open. And then maybe we'll gut it and see what's inside. Let me do the Peterson. Using a 25 thousandths Peterson gem. As with most American locks, very, very light tension. And you just want to touch those pins lightly, feel for little clicks until you get a full set. And then you're normally just left with a spool or two. Let's see. And there it is, open. Okay, so let's open this up. Should just pop out. Oops, sorry about the camera there. You got a nice shot of the dirty laundry in there too. Alright. Okay, here's my core. It's actually quite full of goop here. Pull that off a little. Okay. Let me put the key in. Oh, if you could see that, I turned it. I'm going to lose all these pins. You know what? Okay, let me see. What did I do here? Alright, I might have seized up this lock. Good thing I have a lot of these. But let's see if we can get this clip off. Oh, okay, here it is. I'm going the wrong way. Let's see if I could do this without losing the pins. Alright, you know what? Something seized up in there. Something is seized up. This is why you don't turn the lock 180 degrees. Oh, there it goes. Alright, so these are the key pins. There's 1. There's 2 and 3. 4. And 5. I think that order's right. We'll check that in a bit. Come around the back. Can't believe these all didn't spring out. That's 3. Actually, no, that was 4. Haha. All right. Well, not sure which is 4, which was 5. Alright, so let's take a look at these pins here. Alright, so in slot 1 we got a looks like a standard key pin and a serrated driver pin. In slot 2 we have a serrated key pin and it looks like a serrated spool pin. We have a serrated key pin in 3, serrated spool pin in serrated driver pin, sorry, there in 3. 4 is a serrated key pin, and we have a serrated driver pin. And 5 is another serrated key pin with a serrated driver pin. So this is what's inside the American 1100. I mixed up the order on the driver pins, but you know what? That's okay. After I got a lock, I like to mix everything up a little bit, and next time I pick it, it's like picking a brand new lock. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and like the video. If you have any comments, you can put them below. And as always, don't pick locks that don't belong to you. Don't pick locks that are in use. Keep it legal, guys. Don't ruin it for the rest of us. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.